Hello everyone. Today I'll be teaching you how to safely light up a fire dapo. So first you fold the dapo in half and then again in half so that all the four wicks are together. You safely dip the dapo into the fuel. You just have to dip the wicks, not the chain. Then you have to shake all the extra droplets before you put it on fire. So for that you can spin it empty and then just light it up. Shake it well before playing with it. After a couple of seconds you can start spinning the fire dapo. Now it's ready to spin. You can try different tricks, but only try the tricks which you are confident about. And be aware whenever you are playing with fire. Fire can be really dangerous, so I only advise people who are confident in spinning the dapo to try the fire dapo. Thank you.